Yo, 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 it's your boy Dave Crypto here at Team Crypto, and today I'm going to show you how to import some more tokens and coins to your Metamask. And the one that I really enjoy and like is Avalanche. So first thing I'm going to do is go up to the extension at the top that looks like a little dinosaur. I'm going to click on Metamask. Then I'm going to click up here at the Ethereum mainnet, and I'm going to add network. And the network name is AVAX. And I got a little cheat code here that I'm going to use. Sorry, let me put this over here. Now the new RPC URL, I'm just going to copy and paste this right here. Just like that, and it is api.avax.network/ext/bc/c/rpc. Now the chain ID is 43114. I'm going to copy and paste that over here. And the currency symbol is AVAX, all caps. Then I'm going to put in the block explorer URL. Now that is cchain.explorer.avax.network/. I'm going to save it. Boom. I have AVAX added to my MetaMask. Thanks for having me, showing you guys how to add Avalanche to your MetaMask.